Great White Way really lives up to its name, but it doesn't make anybody very happy. It's the worst blizzard in 6 years. And even from its beginning, people know it's the real business. Before the storm howls up to New England and on out to sea, it dumps a paralyzing 12 inches of snow on the city and leaves near zero weather in its wake. What little traffic there is gets nowhere. Businesses and schools, even the stock exchange, close early. Throughout the day, the mayor is on the air imploring people to stay home. For most people, it didn't take much imploring. They couldn't get out anyway. New York